Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup with Carla Misa on YouTube. Yes guys, I am here to tell you isa na namang pangmakapalang video kasi I know some of you may think, ba't siya mag-meet and greet?
Wow, feeling artista. Kala na sikat na siya. Eh, ang konti lang naman ang subscribers niya. Ba't siya magpapag-meet and greet? Sinong pupunta?
Well guys, syempre lahat yan. Lahat yan pumasok na yan sa isip ko. I am doing this for my loyal subscribers. Because for the past meet and greet that I went to, kay Ate Ann Cludes, if you watched my vlog, ang dami kong na-meet na subscribers from Davao dito mismo sa aking city that I never knew existed. Some of them requested for me to do a meet and greet dito sa Davao, and of course, initial reaction ko was,
bakit ba ako gagawa? Sino ba naman ako guys? Diba? Parang hello.
Pero they were really insisting it, and at the same time, ako, gusto ko rin kayo makilala guys. Gusto ko rin makilala yung mga subscribers ko from Davao. It is actually my 4th year anniversary on YouTube. This year, I started January of 2013. Ang tagal ko na rin pala dito sa YouTube, guys. I just realized now that 4 years flew by so fast. Ang daming nangyari. I never really knew na ganito na ako katagal sa YouTube. I know I am not the most consistent YouTuber. Kaya tuloy minsan, lagi akong on a long hiatus. Lagi kayong humihintay ng video na wala naman kayong mapapala and what else. And puro na lang vlogs yung pinupost ko. Pero masayang-masaya ako na andyan pa rin kayo guys. Andyan pa rin kayo para supportahan ako. And that really means a lot to me. Nakakataba ng puso. And I realized that meron din palang kahit na konti man lang nanonood sa akin. And I just want to meet you guys behind the camera. And also, this is going to be a birthday meet and greet. Because March is going to be my birth month. And I am turning 20. Magpapapansit si Mayora. Kaya I want to celebrate this with you guys, especially now that I have 9,000 subscribers! Thank you guys so much sa lahat na nag-subscribe sa aking channel. Nako, hanggang ngayon di pa rin ako makapaniwala na merong 9,000 sa inyo na nag-subscribe talaga sa channel ko. Considering na parang wala naman kayong mapapala sa channel ko. But anyway, too much naman itong papahambol ko. To all my Davao subbies, to all my Davao viewers, Davao subscribers, lahat kayo guys, ini-invite ko kayo on my meet and greet this coming March 11. It will be held at Pepper's Iberica Resto, 7 PM onwards. Sana makapunta kayo guys kasi I am really expecting all of you to come. I'm just really excited for this event na ma-meet ko kayo guys. Although I'm really happy to meet some of you no meet and greet ni Ate Ann, I just wanna meet more of my subbies kasi meron ding ibang hindi nakapunta sa meet and greet ni Ate Ann. This is also going to be my celebration for another year that God is going to give me this coming March. Sobrang lapit ng March 11 sa birthday ko. So, celebration na rin ito. Sa akong mga Davao subscribers, Davao viewers, sa tanan nagatanaw sa ako from Davao City, hinaot unta makaadto mo. Okay, it's really a big thing for me na mamita mo. It will be fun. Sisiguraduhin kong andoon yung ibang mga Davao vloggers. You will meet them all. Of course, magpapag-giveaway si Mayora. I will prepare prizes para may raffle and whatnot. I'm really excited to spend this night with you guys. And lalang, talagang na-excite ako. Sumayak. So, be there, be square. March 11 at Pepper's Iberica Resto. Ilalagay ko yung Google form down below sa description wherein you can register to confirm na makakapunta ka sa aking meet and greet on March 11. Sana naman makapunta kayo guys. Sana naman wag niyo ako indyanin. Kasi alam kong uunti lang kayo. Tapos kung indyanin niyo pa ako, edi ano na naiwan. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Kung ikaw ay nanatili sa panonood sa video na ito hanggang sa point na ito, ay meron akong pag-giveaway! Yes, meron akong konting pag-giveaway, guys. Diba, ang tagal na. I think isang beses lang ako nag-giveaway sa akin channel. Ever since I started, sa 4 years na yun, isang beses lang ako nag-giveaway. So, if you stayed up to the end of this video, you will have a chance to win. Dun, 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 dun. Buksan natin, guys. If you are a makeup junkie, alam mo na ang loob nito. Dun, 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 dun. These are one of the best brushes that I have tried in my entire makeup journey. Kasi ito yung pinaka-kompletong brush set na na-try ko sa talang buhay ko. Kasi meron siyang pang foundation or powder. Ito rin foundation or powder. Meron din siyang pang blush or powder. Pwede rin bronzer. Merong pang blush or highlight or contour. Flat foundation brush. Angled blending brush. Merong fluffy blending brush. May tapered. Meron ding flat concealer or flat eyeshadow. And meron ding angled. And of course, highlighting brush or setting brush sa under eyes. So, san ka pa, bes? San ka pa? Andito na lahat at meron pa siya napaka-cute nalalagyan. Ang lakas maka-eco-friendly. For you to win this set of brushes, all you need to do is to, of course, subscribe to this channel. Syempre naman gusto ko, subscriber talaga at loyal subscriber ang mananalo nito. Follow and like my social media accounts. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, like my Facebook page, Makeup by Carla Misa. I'll be putting all the instructions down below. Comment down below the hashtag Makeup by Carla Misa giveaway 2017. I'll be putting all the instructions down below for you to join. And I will be drawing this giveaway on my birthday. So that is March 12, 2017. So alam nyo na. So yun lang guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Inaasahan ko na sana makapunta kayo guys. Excited na ko na ma-meet mong tanan. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah!